Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to the Fun Creator channel to support the development of this channel. This video tells of one of the city in Australia, namely the Gold Coast, with one of the famous beaches, namely Surfer Paradise. The Gold Coast is renowned as a marine tourist destination for local Australians in winter. Australians flock to the Gold Coast because the city, which is located in the state of Brisbane, is famous for its warm climate and thriving tourists since ancient time. Gold Coast history recorded the tallest building in Australia. The name Gold Coast first appeared in 1940. At that time, a journalist from Brisbane called the southern part of Brisbane as the Gold Coast because after the warehousing in the area was very popular in the market. Until finally, the year 1958, the South Coast Town Council adopted the name Gold Coast, and in 1959, the area was legally called a city. The Gold Coast itself is famous for one district that is a destination for surfers, namely Surfer Paradise. The name Surfer Paradise was adopted from the name of a hotel that opened in the 1925. The building owned by James Jim Carville was named the Surfer Paradise Hotel. The hotel has 16 bedrooms and a well-known accommodation among tourists. The area around the Surfer Paradise beach has so many interesting places to eat, cafe, restaurant, and bars. A place to rechange at one of the restaurant and cafe from 150 restaurant and cafe in Surfer Paradise. And exploring the area around Surfer Paradise is so much fun with the beauty and energy of the city. Surfer Paradise, as the name implies, is premier place for those who honor the god of the sea by trying to become one with the waves. The beach is stretched of soft golden sand that provides the perfect setting for enjoying the wave, playing frisbee, or just sunbathing for a full day. Or visit a variant of luxury hotel with a sea atmosphere on the Gold Coast. And there are so many hotels with direct view overlooking the exotic Surfer Paradise beach. Tourists can also enjoy a beautiful sunset at Surfer Paradise, with view of the beach turning golden from the light of the sunset. And at nightfall, the area around the Gold Coast is still lively, with it is a nightlife. And there are several clubs that tourists can visit, with excitement of the club. So the Gold Coast area will never sleep with its city life. So, what do you think of this surfer paradise on the Gold Coast